Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. The donor and acceptor impurities in an abrupt p-n junction are 1 into 10 power 16 centimeter cube per centimeter cube and 5 into 10 power 18 per centimeter cube respectively. Assume that the intrinsic carrier concentration in silicon is given at room temperature and Vt value, that is Kt by Q. Thermal voltage is also given, permittivity of silicon is also given. We are going to calculate built-in potential as well as depletion width of the diode under thermal equilibrium condition. We are going to calculate built-in voltage VBI and width of depletion region under thermal equilibrium condition. What was given is nothing but donor and acceptor concentrations. Nd is given as 1 into 10 power 16 and per centimeter cube, and Na acceptor concentration is 5 into 10 power 18. That implies nothing but this is a junction, a PN junction, where this is P side is heavily doped and N side is slightly doped. So this is P plus N junction, and we know that one depletion region penetrates more into lightly doped side. Depletion region penetrates more into lightly doped side, since, so that we can write, since Na acceptor concentration is very large compared to Nd, that is P side is heavily doped. Width of P side is very small compared to width of N side. So W, total width of depletion region under equilibrium, that is Wp plus Wn, is approximately equal to Wn itself. So if you calculate Wn, that itself will be the answer for this depletion width of diode under thermal equilibrium conditions. So we are going to calculate W is nothing but strictly we are going to calculate Wn. The value of Wn we are going to calculate. So, and we know that one, the equation for the built-in potential VBI is equal to Vt natural logarithm of Na Nd by Ni square. This is the equation for built-in potential VBI or V0. Vt is nothing but Kt by Q. Kt by Q is also called as Vt, whose value is 26 millivolts. So you can go in this way: 0.026 natural logarithm of Na 5 into 10 power 18 into Nd is 1 into 10 power 16 divided by Ni is given as 1.5 into 10 power 10. So Ni square will become 2.25 into 10 power 20. So if you do this calculation simplification, you will get V0 or VBI is equal to 0.858, 0.858, that is nothing but 0.86 volts you will get. 0.86, actually 0.858, thus you can round up to 0.86 volts. So 0.86 is the built-in potential. Then we are going to calculate width of depletion region. Width of depletion region can be calculated as we know Wn is nothing but simply it is W is Wn, Wn is nothing but square root of abrupt p-n junction, so that you can write it as square root of 2 epsilon of silicon into VBI divided by, okay, Qnd. So 2 is constant, epsilon silicon is nothing but it is 1.04 into 10 power minus 12 it is given. VBI just now we have calculated, that is 0.86, and Q value is known 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Nd value is 1 into 10 power 16. So all you can substitute, all the values are known to us, and you substitute those values. Then W value is going to be equal to 3.4 into 10 power minus 5 meters you will get. 3.5 10 power minus 5 centimeters you will get. So this is 3.4 into 10 power minus 5 is more near to 3.3 into 10 power minus 5. So the right option for this one is D. So built-in potential of the junction is 0.86 volts, and width of diode under thermal equilibrium condition is 3.3 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. So the right option is D. Thank you.